All right, y'all, we got something super special today. You're gonna definitely want to watch this all the way through. We got a 72 Chevelle, and this thing is loaded from the top to the bottom. Guarantee you're not gonna be able to build this car cheaper than what we got it priced at. So stay tuned. Alright, so if you guys are interested in this 72 Chevelle, make sure you give us a call at 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and also Instagram. As always, we appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Alright, we got up on the rack. Like I said, we're gonna go through. I'm gonna put the full list of everything that's been done in the description, but just so you guys can see, obviously it's got an aftermarket steering pump. You can see that it's got the upgraded harmonic balancer. Everything is QA1 as far as the suspension is concerned. You can see you got the the 4-piston Wilwood brakes, coilovers at all 4 corners. Again, we got the 6.2. Just knowing from personal experience, we got the Holley oil pan so that it will clear the frame. Blackheart exhaust. You got your long tube headers. As you can see, everything is nicely done. No drips, no leaks anywhere. Oil pan and trans pan look good. It's a built 4L80. I believe this is a G-Force cross member. I could possibly be wrong. It might actually be one of the hooker ones. I can't remember, but aftermarket cross member. You guys can see the entire, it's a frame off, so the whole frame has been coated, has been painted, and then you can see the pans themselves have also been coated. Frame is nice and straight all the way through. You got new brake lines going through as well. Again, hooker exhaust all the way through. Again, from personal experience, it matches perfectly to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about doing any type of cutting or bending or anything. So definitely a plus. You got the UMI brackets back here for the coilovers. Tubular suspension for the rear, of course. Exhaust sounds amazing. You got your dumps right over the axles. Got the 12 bolt. I know it's running 330 gears. I'm not sure if it's a wave track, true track, or anything like that. I'll find out more. But again, I know it's running 330 gears, so you can cruise on the highway. Get you a better look at the dual pistons. I'm sorry. Yeah, the dual pistons in the back. Like I said, everything is super clean. Gas tank is set up. I'm sorry, the fuel system is set up to run E85 as well, so you guys know this thing is putting down some mean horsepower. Dual fuel pumps. Again, frame extensions, trunk pans, everything is flawless. There was not a piece of rust anywhere on this vehicle, and then that's getting you the rest of the car as far as the bumper. You don't keep on moving, but again, there is zero rust anywhere on this vehicle. No bubbling, nothing. Paint is flawless. Get you a better look at these wheels. I knew I was saying that wrong. It's 6 pistons in the front and 4 in the rear. I don't know why I was saying 4 and 2, but 6 in the front, 4 in the rear. Be getting mixed up with all these cars. As you can see, the bumper clearly has been re-chromed. There's not a mark on it. Wheel wells look solid. Just beautiful all the way around. Go ahead and check everything on the interior. Obviously the motor's fuel injected. You guys hear the fuel pump kick on. It's got dual fuel pumps to also feed that LSA. You guys can hear that thing sounds beautiful for sure. The mileage is accurate from when the motor was dropped in, the new motor, so 1,600 miles on the build. Obviously everything works on the Dakota digital. Horn not connected. When the lights come on, I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the steering wheel. Lights off white, lights on red. Super dope. Tank is reading full. AC shows that it's on. Go ahead and blow that. I'll fill it out of here. So the fan AC is blowing. got this set up. So these are for our windows. Obviously you got your phone charger. It's pretty dope for sure. It did an excellent job putting this together. So stay tuned, I'm gonna get her put on. All right, so let's get back into it. Phone had died, but all right, so like you said, this is where all the money was spent, all the big things. So I'm gonna put a list of every single thing this car has down in the description, but I'm gonna try to make sure I'll say it in the video as well. So we got a brand new 6.2, the LS3, obviously aluminum block. We got aftermarket heads, and then we got a LSA. It's been gone through, so it's been ported. It's also been reinforced, if you guys know about that. Does have the Wagner, however you say it, accessory drive, so all billet. It's got the big 370 amp alternator, obviously to run the sounds. We got dual catch cans. We got hydro boost, the Wilwood hydro boost. As you see, everything is steel braided lines, beautiful. Obviously aftermarket radiator, dual electric fans. You guys can see everything. You got the intercooler for the supercharger, transmission cooler, obviously AC. Like, this thing has way too much stuff to list. You're gonna see in the descriptions because some stuff is gonna be missed, but this thing is built and runs flawlessly. Let me go ahead and grab the keys and check out the trunk. Actually, unless he put all the keys the same, I don't have a key for the trunk. And he did. Pretty cool. So you see we got the sounds in here. We got the Skar audio. Trunk's pretty normal. Carpeted, clean, no issues there. You can tell when they did the paint, did new weather seals as well. And the car, again, looks flawless everywhere around it. Checking out the interior. I'll show the top going up later in the video, but it does have a new top. And I actually like that it's a cloth top instead of the vinyl, so it's kind of smooth. And the mechanical portions have been redone as well. So checking out the interior, you can see that it's a custom interior, but designed to match stock. I know you guys can't feel it, but the leather is super soft. Checking out the rear seats, you see the custom aspects, but still look stock as well. Beautiful red, no rips, no tears, no stains. And then you got the matching red carpet. Matching steering wheel, the Amani forged. Obviously the dash has been redone as well. Beautiful job with the stitching, no warping, nothing coming apart. Love the aftermarket AC gauges. Dakota digital, of course. Got your custom center console. Super dope how they got the vents on the side. We'll see if that works later. Aftermarket shifter. We'll check all that later when we check the insides of the car, of course. I'm sorry, the interior, but pretty sure, yeah, these are Sandman designs on the all the way around on the accessories. Let me go ahead and get over to the passenger side. Again, everything has been painted and ceramic coated as well, even the jam, so it looks beautiful. Weather sealing looks nice and clean. Like no expense was spared on this vehicle. I don't see any issues like warping, scratches, anything like that. And again, the seats are in perfect condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this car on the rack. We're not gonna do a test drive, and the main reason why, just when cars got like 4s or anything bigger, I really don't like driving them, honestly, because where we're at, we're in an industrial area. You're dealing with rocks and stuff. Even though they repaved the road, you're dealing with a lot of potholes and things like that. So we'll get it started, we'll let it run and all of that so you guys can see. But like I said, it won't be a test drive, but I am gonna get it on the rack so you can check everything out. Get into it. So like I said, we got a 72 Chevelle. And as you can see, this thing is beautiful. First thing we're gonna get into is the paint. Paint is new. I'm gonna say this is somewhere between a 9.5 and a 10. I've been around the car. I didn't see no dents, no dings, no scratches, and you don't even see any swirl marks from the hand from a washing and drying the vehicle. So silver metallic paint shows beautiful. You'll see as we move around it. sitting on a set of 24-inch Amani forged wheels. You can also see that we got the Wilwood pistons on there. So, I'm sorry, the Wilwood brakes. Looks like they're 4 pistons. We'll check it out once we get it on the rack. Doors are lined up properly. You can tell by the gaps. Nice big lip on the rear. I don't know for sure. I'll check just to make sure. But it looks like it's at minimum 7. Probably closer to 8, honestly, but we'll check. Rear quarter panel looks beautiful. No signs of any waves or dents. One thing that really stands out for me, a lot of people do their cars and sometimes they leave the trim alone. Chrome trim around the convertible top looks beautiful. Checking out the trunk. Stripes are painted, and you guys know on black paint you can see every imperfection. Again, no scratches, no swirls there. Looks beautiful. Trunk is aligned properly as well. No crazy gaps, no corners or angles to hit. Chrome bumper looks nice and solid. No dents, no scratches, no pitting. And we got new LED lights as well. Coming around the passenger side, I'm sorry, driver's side. Again, rear quarter panel looks beautiful. There is nothing to point out on this paint and body. It is flawless. It's going to keep on moving up because, again, nothing to point out. Windshield is new as well. No cracks, no scratches, no wear and tear of any kind. And the chrome looks beautiful around the windshield as well. Of course, we got the flapper hood, the cowl induction. Looks beautiful. Those stripes look like they were laid nice and evenly all the way through. And then the hood is properly aligned too. Again, no corners catching. Beautiful LED headlights, clear turn lens. And front bumper is solid too. Again, the chrome looks nice and clean. No scratches, no dents anywhere. I had already had the hood open. Give me a second, I'm gonna grab the keys and we'll check out the trunk. So